All right, so let's review real quick. 4 and 6 are alternate interiors, and 3 and 5 are also alternate interior. Now, what's the relationship? These angles are congruent. Very good. Which means they are the same. Same thing. Which means they are the same. Okay? Same. Congruent. No, 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 no. That's the symbol for angles. So it's like a less than sign with a little arc. No, it kind of looks like if you want to draw a K, but it's really the less than sign with the little arc, showing you that it's not the less than sign, it's the angle sign. Okay? All right, let's do same side interior angles. So if they're interior, they need to be inside, right? And if they're the same side, they need to be on the same side. Very good. You got it. Say that again. 4 and 5. And 3 and 6. Now, these angles are not the same. Eyes on me. These angles are supplementary. Yes, we did. What are supplementary angles? Thank you. They add to 180. Very good. They add up to 180. That's pretty cool that we can remember. So angle 4 plus angle 5 equal 180. And angle 3 plus angle 6 equals 180. So now we got two pairs. We got the alternating interior and we got the alternate exterior. Same side, I'm sorry. Interior, same side. Are we good? All right. Corresponding. Corresponding have to be on the same side, but one in and one out. Those are together, right? One in and one out. So let's do this. 1 and 5. They're not consecutive. They're not right beside each other. They're on the same side. 4 and 8 are another pair. I'm going to run out of colors. 2 and 6 are another pair. And there you go. And 3 and 7. So there's 4 of them. All right. These ones are congruent, which means they are the same. So let's see. Angle 1 and angle 5. Those are the pink ones, right? Angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 2 and angle 6. Those are my blue ones. And angle 3 and angle 7. And those are my orange ones. Yay? All right, so when you finish, you can put it inside your notebook. With what? Yeah, no, we need to make a tab that says graded test or grades. Yes, baby. Yes. Nah. What, honey? All right, let me punch holes on this. Hold on. All right. So keep this handy or your cheat sheet, okay? Or your green cheat sheet. On your classwork. It's all classwork, baby. Even though we're staying for tutoring, it's still classwork. All right, so let me explain your cheat sheet real quick. Yeah, we got this one, right? Staple it and put it on day one, please. There's just stapler on top of my desk. There's one on top of my desk, Daniel. All right, are we ready? Yay? We're not gonna what? No, we're not gonna cut it off. No, 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 no. That's your next cheat sheet. Where's your other cheat sheet, Trinity? Yeah, don't lose it. You're gonna continue needing it. Put it at the front. If you leave it on those pockets, you might lose it. So put it in the front. Front. There you go. All right, are we good? Shh. Eyes on me. So you have some of the ones that we did, but you have new ones over here too. We did corresponding. And look, these are all the positions that you can find them. We did alternate. Herman. We did alternate interior. And we did same side, right? Same side. Same side and consecutive. Look at them. They're exactly the same. It's just another name for them, okay? Now, look at alternate interior, but look at alternate exterior. It's the same, but instead of the inside is what? The outside. That's why we didn't put it on the other one, because they're really easy to identify. So keep these handy so we can do this worksheet over here. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the little square that I told, the little rectangle, right? You can either highlight too the inside of the parallel lines. So let's go ahead and color them all. I'm not going to do 7 and 8 because I got to be careful with 7 and 8, but 1 through 6 I'm okay. Are we good? Mm-hmm. And then I'm going to take a different color and I'm going to do the little letters with a different color so they pop out and I know what location they have, okay? What, baby? I think Daniel put it. Daniel's got you. He already got it up. He already got up to get. What was that, Trinity? Oh yeah. You like it? Huh? Yes. All right. So look at them. They're on the same side. So the only ones that are on the same side are this ones and those. But one is in, the other one is out. So that would be what? Corresponding. Very good. Yeah, yes. We're going to put C. And then if they're consecutive interiors, we're going to put CI. Is that cool with you guys? So that we don't have to write everything? So corresponding is going to be C. Alternate interior is going to be AI. Alternate exterior is going to be AE. And consecutive interior is going to be C. Oh, not CS. CI. So this is corresponding. And then we don't have to write all of that. I agree. All right, look at those two. They're out or in? Out. So there's only one that says out. Alternate exterior. AE. Very good. AE. Okay? Look at this one. Same side. One in, one out. Corresponding. See, it's really good with the cheat sheet, right? Aren't you glad you're here and not somewhere else? Because we use cheat sheets. Look at this. They're both in. Very good. And on the same side. So consecutive interior. Or same side. They're the same thing, right? Consecutive interior. Look at those. Both of them are in. But one on one side. The other one on the other. Alternate interior. So A and I. And then these are out or in? Interior or exterior? Exterior. So that has to be AE. Alright, so we got to be careful with this ones. Because they are here and here. So that means that I got to color. All those lines are over there to psych me up, okay? So I got to color there. And there. Because that X is on this parallelogram, this parallel line, and then that Y is on that parallel line. And they are on this transversal. Alright, so are they in or are they out? They're interiors. Very good. Because you color. If they're inside what I color, do you see how I color the rectangle? That's the only way that I know. If I don't color inside, I can't do it. Herman, I cannot. It's really hard for me to do. So I've come up with ways to help me out. Right? Telling you, I'm not that smart. I just work really, really hard. So alternate what? So Daniel is saying alternate interior. They're both in, so he's correct. Is it one side and one on the other? Yeah, yes, why not? Look, this side and then that side of the green. Do you see them? This side, that side of the green. So this will be alternate interior. All right. So look, what are the two transversals that the y and the x are at? On that one and this one. No, they're both outside. Look at them. They're both outside. No, because if the x would have been over here, then yes, I count the other one. But where's the x? It's on this line, right? And where's the y? Is on that line. So it's just those two. You see that? So, hold on. Shh. Very good. They're on the outside, so it's alternate exterior. Alternate. It's okay. Don't worry about it. As long as you can read it, you don't have to know how to say it. All right. Are we good? Yay? Hmm? Hmm? Yeah. All right. Where's the X and where's the Y? Very good. Yeah. To think. He doesn't let anybody think because he's over there too quick. Okay. All right, so listen, look at this. The y is over here and the x is over here, so you got to color between them. And then you highlight those two. They're both of them, very good. Consecutive what? Or same side interior, because they're the same thing, right? So consecutive interior. All right. Are you ready for the next one? All right, so the x is over here, and the y is over here, so we're going to color inside. No, look at them. Look at them. You see why it's so important to color? Yes, Miss Marie knows what she's doing. I can teach. I can teach. So, one in, one out, corresponding. Very good. Corresponding. Uh-oh. No, it's real easy. All right, so let's do here, and let's color. Still the same thing. Shh, Jonathan. No humming, baby. Are you paying attention to me? That music is not distracting you? You sure? Because I hear you humming. You're going, All right. What are they? Alternate what? They're both exterior, right? So, just like alternate interior, they are what? No. They're congruent. So if this is 110, very good. Now we're finding the question mark, right? All right, let's do highlight. Yeah, this is, if you have that cheat sheet, it's really, really easy to do. The arrow means that the lines are parallel and they're never ever going to touch. That's a very good question because I didn't talk about that. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, they can. Yes, they sure can. They can be parallel like this and then the transversal that way. Yes, they can, Herman. That's a very good question. Ladies. All right. What kind of angles are these? Interior or exterior? And one on one side, the other on the other. So alternate what? Interior, and those angles are exactly the same. So if this is 84, this guy over here would be 84. All right. Let's highlight the two parallel lines where the angles are at. All right, so look at these. Consecutive what? Interior or same side. Those are these ones, right? And those, what happened? They added up to what? To 180. So if this is 100, how much is the other one? No. All right, let's do it again. Those are not equal. Those add up to 180. So if this is 100, how much is that one? They add up to 180. So what is it, Herman? It's what? 80. Together, they're 180. Yes, the question mark is 80. Some are congruent, but others are supplementary. They add up to 180. And you got to know, what are they? Maybe we need to write it over here. Let's go ahead and write it over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. If they're consecutive or same side, they are going to add to 180. So write that in your cheat sheet. I'm giving you permission to write this down. Add to 180. Okay? You may want to do it with a pen. I'm not sure that, can you see it with a pencil or with a marker? All right. Now these ones are, what are they? These ones are equal. These ones are equal. And these ones are equal. So these ones are the same. They're the same measurement. Yeah, all these three are equal. And then those two add up to 100 and, so the one at the top, they add up to 180. Yay? All right, so which ones are these? Look, they're both interior. Alternate, interior, which means they're what? The same. So if this is 111, that's 111. Come on, let's finish this. We can leave after this. All right. Shh. We need to be more focused. Alternate. Interior, right? They're both on the inside, right? Which means they're the what? They're the same. So this is also 125. All right, let's highlight the parallel lines where they are at. And then let's do the angles. Are they interior or exterior? Exterior. There's only one that has exteriors. Both of them, that would be alternate what? Exterior. Ladies, stop playing around. Then move closer. But that's the problem. We don't want to move closer. All right, so if this is 47, because alternate exterior are what? They're the same. They're equal. So this one would also be 47. When we come back on Monday, it's not going to be this easy, right? All right, let's highlight. We're going to put some equations in here, and you're going to have to solve equations. Because one angle is going to be 3x plus 2. The other angle is going to be 5x minus 10. Oh, please. You got equation solver. It's a piece of cake. Okay, so they're on the same side. One in, one out. So what kind of angles are they? One in, one out. So what are they? What kind of angles are they? Number 17 are corresponding. One in, one out. So they're the same. So this is 53. All right. So both of them are interior, right? They alternate interior, and they're inside. Both of them are inside, right? Remember, if they're on the highlighted part, they're inside. So those will be what? The same. All right. Let's go back because I forgot to do this. I'm so sorry. And let's name them. These were corresponding. What about this one? Alternate exterior. Alternate. It's okay. I can sometimes not even say it. This is alternate interior. What about those? They're both alternate. Are they out? Alternate interior. Very good. Those two. Consecutive interior or same side, right? Interior. What about these two? Alternate exterior. They're both on the outside. Alternate interior. AI, right? All right, put that in your notebook. Let's call it a day.